At Freedom Pools, every pool begins with craftsmanship, designed with precision, built with care, manufactured right here in Australia to the highest standards. For over 50 years, we have refined every detail, every curve, every finish, every layer of strength. Our exclusive marble tech surfaces are created to stand the test of time, luxurious to look at, engineered to resist fading, built for durability, performance and confidence. Backed by lifetime structural warranties, backed by lifetime surface warranties, backed by a name Australians have trusted for generations.
Long before it reaches your backyard, each of our pools starts taking shape inside our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities across Australia, in Western Australia, South Australia, and Queensland, where advanced technology, precision engineering, and decades of expertise come together. Every mold, every surface, every finish, carefully crafted to meet the highest standards of quality. Because when you choose Freedom Pools, you are choosing Australian manufacturing excellence, built with consistency, built with strength, built with pride. So when installation day arrives, you can feel confident knowing your pool was created to deliver beauty, durability, and performance for years to come. Freedom Pools. Quality built in from the very beginning. Your backyard becomes a private retreat, a place to unwind, a place to celebrate, a place where family and friends gather. Whether your dream is sleek and contemporary, compact and clever, or grand and resort-inspired, Freedom Pools has a design to suit the way you live. This is more than a pool. It is an investment in lifestyle, an investment in family, an investment in the moments that matter most. Freedom Pools, paradise awaits you.